No matter what blew up this year, you could avoid most damage by using one of these as your main storage solution for your crypto. I am not saying don't use any exchanges or crypto infrastructure, not at all, but it's about survival and limiting damages, so if something blows up, your main crypto stash should not be affected. This is not just a reminder for everyone, I also want to give a Trezor One away to one of you who watches the video. Why Trezor? I love the user experience, and combined with MetaMask you can use it for all EVM chains as well. The software is open source, whereas the main competitor, Ledger, is proprietary. That's a positive and negative for some on both sides. For me, I prefer the Trezor way. I even choose the older model they have for its simplicity. I still have the same one I got in 2017 and it still works, while paranoid me has spares tucked away. You could even build one yourself, and I wanted to link the PiTrezor here too and below. Might be an interesting video down the line. A hardware wallet is not total protection, by the way, it is just one additional step, but it can already help with a lot. Blowups for once, because the good old not your keys, not your crypto, literally, but the same goes for a lot of malicious stuff that takes over your machine. They would still need physical access to your Trezor to confirm. At the same time, private key management is still crucial. Even with one of these, a compromised seed phrase is a compromised seed phrase, hardware wallet or not. So never type it into an online device. Also here on a Trezor, you will never do that directly on a PC. You will rather see the words on the device and choose them. So I said giveaway, didn't I? How to win? I know no fairer way than having people comment below this video, but with a twist this time. We'll choose a random comment, but the comment has to include a crypto anecdote. Either share something new you learned in crypto in 2022 or tell a story about how you got wrecked in crypto. Bad luck story, no matter when. It is often those stories one can learn a lot from. It's your chance to win a Trezor One wallet and to get featured in another video. As little bonus, as you know, I also do my videos in German, also one wallet to win there, and the same conditions apply, so hop on over there to double your chances. We'll leave it running for a good month to give everybody a chance. So yes, 2021 and 2022 revealed a lot of centralized BS that tried to hide as crypto and decentralized, more than I think anyone expected. While the destruction and damages to a lot of individual people was huge, better those things implode now than 5 years down the road. Good riddance. These are the times where we flush out the bad actors, decentralized Ponzi's, and hopefully also those who promoted them. So while 2022 was a tough year for crypto, it also brought us amazing new content creators, which are invaluable, as well as tools which stay available to us, no matter the price. Crypto is dead, long live crypto. Good luck for the giveaway. I wish all the best to each and every one of you. Happy mining and bye!